everybody, it's Emily and this is Emmylou Arts. Today I am going to be planning out the week of August 17th through the 23rd in my personal wide ring bound planner using a Shine Sticker Studio kit. So come on! So you can see when I had printed out inserts from Peanuts Planner Co. for my ring bound planner, I had chosen the week on one day grid, like vertical, horizontal, like column layout, and you can see that. And I had gone through and labeled it because I had been doing a lot of pre-planning, like in the middle of summer, because I just hadn't had a lot of time to sticker and stuff. So this week I decided I wanted to use some of my kits that I have, because I have so many pocket kits that I ordered last Christmas that I still need to use and want to use. So I wanted to make that work, but I had already filled out these two sheets for this week and next week. So originally I was like, well, maybe I want to use two kits, even though it's not a huge space. So eventually you'll see that I turn it into one long horizontal column, or horizontal like week. So we'll get there. But you can see I love the flexibility of the rings. I really do enjoy that, because if I'm in a season of life, that is, I hate that expression, a season of life. If I'm in that time where I don't have a lot of time to sticker, or I don't feel like doing it, then I can just print different inserts, inserts that don't have a lot of extra fluff and space. And that's what these were. But if I do want to, then I can, choose an insert that has multiple, columns and more space for more decoration and stuff. So I really enjoy that. But this kit, I decided to cut apart. There's Fatty. The kids are at the dentist and now the cats are interrupting me. Oh, you can't make this up. I decided to cut apart the sunglasses and use those as kind of like a top washi. And you can see I cut apart the date covers and then tried to this is when I was still trying to use it for like 2 weeks. But then I was like, dang, there's no way I'm going to be able to fit any of my favorite thing, which is all the decoration, like the deco stickers. So that's when it dawned on me that I could just turn those 2 pages, kind of white out what I had, already written in for next week, and just use both of those spreads for this week. So love that idea. And it turned out. I mean, it's not as great as it would have been like had I just had a blank one to work with, and that's what I knew I was doing going into it. It could have looked cuter, but I don't hate it. I think it's really cute, and the colors in this kit are super cute. So I ended up like trimming down the date covers and just kind of putting them in like Hobonichi Weeks style, and then the date dots next to it where I can write in the dates. And then I use the little bow headers as the top of my little list columns. Because how I've been planning is like originally this insert does not come with those columns. I drew in those lines. That was confusing some people. They're like, I don't see this insert on Peanuts Planner Co. Well, you won't, because those columns I drew in with a pen. So all it usually looks like is just the horizontal, like rows. There's no vertical columns unless you make them. So that is what I was using all the way over on the right for my daily kind of checklist, and then my weekly to-do list. So I trimmed up the to-do lists and I put those there. I think this worked really well, and I was able to fit in all of the giant deco stickers, which is so cute. So I was just really pleased with this kind of setup. I might see if there's another, like an actual what am I trying to say? Actual printable with this kind of layout, because I only have one more week left on the back of this, so I could just, reprint what I want to use now. So all the way to the right, I'm using as my weekly to-do. And then under the pink bow, I'm just going to write some daily things. And then I'm putting in the fancy boxes. The left side of the paper is going to be for like timed things. Like I put in a big yellow box for my son. His good friend had a little birthday lunch planned where they were going to eat tacos outside on the deck and hang out. So, and then I cut apart the bow checklists to make little flags to mark when I worked, the purple and the pink. And then I flipped one of those pink boxes on its side because they're starting drywall work at my house on Wednesday. And I think it's probably going to be a 2-day job. So I like that you can do that, and it sort of takes up more space. I did put the tracker, which I use for my medications, on this spread. But I usually, when I used my Hobonichi Weeks kit earlier from Shine Sticker Studio, I used the trackers in kind of my personal section where I was tracking like weight and period and stuff like that. And I like it better there. So I don't know why I put it in this section, but it works there too. And then I like the little icons and the weekend banner. This is just enough room because we don't have a whole lot going on still to put in timed appointments and to make my little lists and to have, all the little cute stickers from the Pocket kit fit. So Shine Sticker Studio, they did discontinue their Pocket kits, but now they have, I think, a mini kit that is really similar to the Pocket kind of layout. I just loved the Pocket kit because when I was using a pocket-sized traveler's notebook, it was like the perfect amount of stickers and included decoration. But if you do print out these printables from Peanuts Planner Co., the Hobonichi Weeks kits fit really well in those columns, which I talked about in an earlier video. So I'm going to be buying a few more Hobonichi Weeks kits. And if you didn't see my video yesterday, I'm on the PR team now, which is amazing because I get to scream from the rooftops about this adorable shop that I love. So I have a code, which I'll put up on the screen, Emily15, and you can get 15% off of your purchase if you use that at checkout. I don't get paid for that or anything. It just saves you money, and we all get to have really cute stickers in our life, which, at this point, what more could we ask for? That's what we need now. More stickers, please. Bye, guys.